Today we've been marking the centenary of the birth of Claude Shannon, who was one of the most influential scientists of the 20th century. A scientist, mathematician, engineer, and his work really shaped the 20th century because it underpins what we call the information revolution. In his master's thesis, he laid the foundations for logically analysing electronic circuits, and he went on in the late 1940s to lay down the foundations of information theory. He set out what he called his mathematical theory of communication. He quantified concepts that we often talk vaguely about, like information and uncertainty and disorder and efficiency of encoding, and he made these things precise and established the precise conditions under which reliable and efficient communication could occur over a communications channel.
A mathematical theory of communication was produced in 1948 while Shannon was at Bell Labs. It essentially defined what information is. It asked the question, if I've got a source of information, what's the fundamental limit to how much I can compress it? How many bits do I need to represent that source? And that's called the information entropy. And then he got some amazing results that if I try and send information through a noisy channel, then if you do it in the right way, it's actually possible to do it without making any errors, provided you communicate below a certain rate, which is now called the channel capacity.
His work really is what today's world is based on. Every time we do computation or communication with any of the myriad devices that are throughout our lives these days, we are using principles that were set out by Claude Shannon.